Welcome to the SquareScene tutorial in Manim, where we'll delve into the art of animating squares with code. Get ready to bring your geometric creations to life. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of drawing a simple square in Manim and then elevating it with animation and vibrant colors. Let's dive into the world of coding and animation. Original code, drawing a square. First, we'll start by drawing a basic square. Watch as the blue bordered square unfolds on the screen, creating a visually engaging experience. Check out the code on the right, where simplicity meets animation. Code explanation. Recreating this animation is a breeze. With just a few lines of Python code, you can define a scene, draw a square, and use the create and uncreate functions to animate it. Explore the code and witness the magic of dynamic visuals. Introduction. Section 2, Drawing and filling a square with color. Watch closely as the blue bordered square comes to life, filling with a vibrant green color. This dynamic animation adds an extra layer of creativity to your visuals. Dive into the code on the right. By adjusting a few parameters, you can draw a square, define its color, and smoothly fill it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Manim tutorials. Happy coding and animating!